Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Get your credit back instantly for any Audible book that doesn't quite capture your imagination. Audible's updated 2025 return policy makes this process incredibly simple and user-friendly for all active members. You can now effortlessly manage your audio library, ensuring every single listen brings you joy and satisfaction. It's all about making sure you love what you're hearing, without any fuss or complicated steps. Enjoy more of what you love. To take advantage of these easy returns, you must be an active Audible Plus or Premium Plus member. This exclusive benefit is designed for our valued subscribers. You're generally allowed to return books within 1 year of their original purchase date, giving you ample time to decide. The new policy ensures fair usage, so it remains a valuable perk for everyone. Just make sure your membership is current to enjoy this flexibility. Returning a book is straightforward. First, visit the purchase history page directly on the Audible website. From there, simply locate the specific audiobook you wish to return and click on the Return for Credit option. A quick confirmation, and your credit will be applied immediately back to your account. It's a seamless process, designed to get you back to browsing for your next great listen without delay. While this return process is incredibly easy, Audible does monitor return activity to prevent potential misuse. If an account shows an unusually high number of returns, it might trigger a review of your membership privileges, ensuring fairness for all. Should you ever encounter any issues or have questions about a specific return, don't hesitate to reach out to Audible's dedicated customer service team. They are always ready to assist you. Maximize your Audible membership by ensuring every listen you choose is absolutely perfect for you. There's no need to hold onto a book that doesn't quite resonate with your tastes. Feel empowered to exchange it for something new, something that truly sparks your interest. Happy listening, and enjoy discovering countless new stories and authors effortlessly, knowing you have the flexibility to make your library just right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.